This is my new bike. First time with a dropper post. Dropper post is sticking, so I'm gonna do some maintenance. I tried to unscrew this collar, but it's too tight or I just can't get a grip. So I went to Walmart and bought this strap wrench. I'm gonna try to take this off so I can clean it up, re-grease it, see if I can get my dropper post running nice and smooth. I need to work quick because it's pretty hot. At least it's a dry heat. Let's do it. This will be my first time servicing a dropper post. It'll also be my first time using a strap wrench. Just reading the instructions here. This way. Looks pretty dry, like there's no lubrication whatsoever. And I'll push the seat down a little bit. I'm gonna reach over, press this lever to get it to go down, and then back up a little. The sleeve will come out. And I can clean all this up really nicely and re-lubricate all of that. Let me tell you that I'm pretty excited just with this because I did it myself and it actually worked out. It was a cheap tool and usually things just go wrong for me. It seems so complicated to work on my bikes. So I'm pretty happy at this point. Just kind of looks like the problem really is that there wasn't much grease in there to begin with. Because, I mean, look how clean this is. There's nothing really to speak of. I'm just going to throw some grease on there. I mean, it looks really clean to me down inside the tube. Everything looks clean in there. Looks like it just needs some grease. Everything's in great shape. This is that SRAM Butter I bought just for this. It's really thin grease. Guess that's what you want, but I don't know. I'm just here for entertainment value. Yeah, I think I'm gonna try to put some kind of light oil on here. I don't have anything right now, so maybe just a little teeny bit of chain oil. I'm gonna try. Just like the wrench. This is from Walmart. This is what I use on all my bikes. Cleans, lubricates, and stops rust. What else could you ask for? Walmart. Doesn't cost much. White Lightning. So we'll just get a dab or two on there. Move it around to both sides. It's on the underside of this. Let's see if this seal keeps some of this out, but I can always clean all this up. Go ahead and just slide it down. It's wiping it nice and smooth, it seems like already. I'll leave that excess butter to grease the threads as I tighten that down. And I don't know why it was so tight before. I'm not gonna do that. Hand tight. It's great. Any excess down here, I'll wipe up. But I'll let all this just stay. It's clean, and that oil could just stay there. I'll pump this up and down a few times and ride it around, see if there's an improvement. So it feels a lot better, and it's dropping a lot further. It used to only kind of want to go to here, but as you can see, it goes a lot further. Still sticking. I think that got it. So if this was really dirty or sticking really bad, I would just open this up, clean it again, and re-grease, re-lube, everything to get that collar out. Let's try to do it over here, this way. You're gonna need to press the lever in and cycle it a little bit up and down, and then boom, it pops out. Now you can clean that all up. Seems like all that grease I put in there has just disappeared or melted. That SRAM Butter is melted, or maybe it's gone inside there and it just needs more. It was really dry, still kind of sticking a little bit. I'll work on it. Good luck with yours. This grease does look a little bit dirty. It looks like there's some dirt in there. I mean, that was all fresh grease. So maybe I do need to clean that grease out, put some new stuff in there and cycle it a few more times until it's smooth as butter. That's definitely dirty grease. So just keep working at it until everything's nice and clean and fresh grease. I'm starting to sweat pretty good. I didn't have to be out here this long. It didn't have to be done again. It was good enough to get out on the trail. It was a marked improvement. I'm gonna go ahead and just wrap this up and see you on the trail. It's gonna be an early morning because it is hot.